The title of our play is Special Gift. And the plot is relationship with no boundaries and no definition between two extraordinary people. The characters are Aman, a chirpy, charming 20-year-old man diagnosed with Becker muscular dystrophy, working at a beautiful art studio, Mawahib, among angelic people. Priya, a smart, ambitious 28-year-old awaiting her scholarship MBA education from Berkeley House, USA, after toiling for many years to get there. This is her ticket to a life she's always dreamed of, and she's just 4 months away from it. We've got 2 more characters. It is done double role. Okay, Aman is done by Sharan, and Priya role is done by me, Vidya. And we've got 2 characters, Aryan and Krish, double role by Naveen. Aryan character is Aman's brother, who is autistic, 10-year-old brother who is autistic. We have Krish, Aman's friend, who runs Mawahib with Aman. This is created by Sharan Anil, Naveen Kishore and Vidya Kishore. So we go straight. Excellent. We go straight to Act 1. The settings. Mawahib Studio, 6 November 2011. A beautiful Sunday morning. Priya is, as I told in the character, she's almost there on her life ambition to get her MBA, but she's just got a small hitch. She has to complete 3 months of social service. So she's she's got in touch with a friend who's got her into Mawahib to complete this. So she's here on 6 November, Sunday morning, at Mawahib Studio to complete her 3 months of social service to be accepted to her MBA. Wow, what a place! Amazing paintings. I've been to so many museums all over Europe, but I haven't seen such great pieces of work. Hey Krish, good to meet you! How are you doing? You've got such a great place. I didn't realize Dubai has got great talent.
Oh yeah, these are the best artwork in Dubai. And you know what? The most special bit about these is that they're created by really special people.
What do you mean by special people?
Didn't you know Mawahib is an art studio where young people with special needs work?
Special people? You mean people who have some mental or physical disability?
Excuse me.
Oh my God! What did I get myself into? Let me call Rupa and blast her for this. Hey Rupa! Did you know that Mawahib is a place where young people with special needs work? How could you do this to me? You know I cannot speak to them and relate to them. Yeah, yes, right. You can say easily it's 3 months. But it's 3 times 30 days. That's 90 days. That's a lot. I know. Let me take it easy. I know. I waited 28 years to realize my dream. It's just 3 more months. But you owe me a big one for this. Oh God. This is you really owe me a big one. Yeah? I've got to go. Hi.
Mobiles are not allowed during work hours. Please shut it down.
What attitude? There's no privacy in this place. That's Act 1. Act 2. 2 weeks later, again on a Sunday morning. Aman and Priya are working. Hey sweetheart, how are you? Well, how did the conference go? Awesome. I'm doing good. Nah, I haven't booked my tickets yet. Yeah, there's so much to do here, and you know they are not very organized here, so I've really not got any time. Oh, who, Aman? Oh, puts on this charming good act all the time, and he's so polite to me. And every day he smiles at me, and even when I'm so rude at him, God, I know, I'm not complaining. Oh, my parents, they're doing good and they adore you. They're boasting to everyone about you and they're so happy and proud that and you know how lucky that their daughters got a rich desi boy like you. I know, I understand. They can be pain at times. But you know, they're so used to being in that kind of society life. Well, I've accepted that I'm just a statue in their social circles. Yeah, I know, it's very difficult. I miss you too.
Same complaining mood.
Priya is just like the others who will, understand my word, but I have accepted that and she has not.
Few hours later, Priya and Krish are working in the office again. Tick, 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 tick. Oh, that's my Facebook notification. Oh my God! Arnav, how could you do this to me? You can't leave me like this.
What's the matter, Priya?
Arnav has just posted a virtual breakup on Facebook.
Oh no!
He was all my life.
Priya, did you send that letter to Dubai municipality?
I'm getting out of here. Leave me alone.
What happened to her?
Arnav broke up with her on Facebook. He's not even man enough to tell her on the phone. People using technology for wrong purposes. Poor Priya. Her parents never raised her with confidence, so she allowed herself to be used by others. She will come along soon as she's very strong.
Later in the day, Priya comes back to the office in the afternoon thinking everyone has left for the day.
Stop it, Priya! How can you be so foolish and take poison for that boyfriend who was never really there for you? Your parents will overcome it eventually over time and they will accept you.
I know, I can't believe what am I doing. It's unbelievable and you know, you're so sweet. My love betrayed me, but you've saved my life.
It's okay, it's okay.
Slowly, the next 1 month, Priya is more open to others at Mawaheb and learns to live in the present moment thanks to Aman. We have one day when the scene opens with Priya and Aryan, Aman's autistic brother, sitting together and Aryan showing her his painting. I know Aryan will never understand me and listen to me. That's why you're my best friend and my punching bag. Your smile is so good and it's just like Aman's. But his smile is so infectious that it can light up the Eiffel Tower. But I don't understand your brother. He's running this SFS group where he's supporting all the special families emotionally and financially through his earnings. And he's there always for them. He's sometimes a brother, a son, a friend. I don't understand him. How can he do this? There's so much in him. Wow, nice painting.
Now the end of the world to be with special needs. They can come up with life only when they get a chance to shine, extra hands to guide and minds to understand. That's what happens at Mawaheb. We learn to socialize and bring about awareness among among people and at the same time we learn to be independent. After all, we are all children of the same God and we should also get an opportunity to come up and prove ourselves in life. So just give us chance to do that.
Well said, Aman. The sparkling eyes and kind deeds are, is what the unconditional love you give to Mawahib is all about. And I mean, your your actions are actually worth more than 1,000 words. Can I ask you something? What was your dream?
I dreamed for graduation for 10 years. How proudly I will go up on stage and accept my best student award and my graduation certificate. How was my friends wish they were me. And yes, I did graduate in a wheelchair, but my head was still high and proud. And how all my friends wish that weren't me.
I can't say anything, You speak so few words, but they're so powerful.
Aman Bhaiya, look, me, dance.
I love dancing, not in a disco, but a beautiful waltz with myself. Dancing is the best way to unwind and get in touch with your inner soul, and what I have lost in dance, I have gained in drawing and painting. Drawing is dancing on paper, and painting is the music that goes with it.
That's a totally different perspective on dance. I never thought about it that way, but yeah, but people have always told me that I have two left feet, so why bother? I can't dance.
If I tell you that you can dance, will you believe me?
No way.
No, but that's true. If you can do something on your own without help from someone, and to stand on your own feet, it's called dance, my friend. Try it.
Jaya Titi, come, dance.
That's close of Act 2. Act 3, 3 months are almost over, and the final day arrives for both Priya and Aman. Priya has to submit her application and move on in life, and the same day is the most prestigious day for Mawahib and Aman, because they have the event for the auction of the paintings created in Mawahib, combined with the Dubai Artist Awards. So we have the scene where it's the previous night before the final day. Priya in her room. Tomorrow I have to submit my application. What will I do? I'm so confused. I'll love it here in Mawahib. And but one side, I have my MBA and my family. What will I do?
Oh yeah.
And on the other side, I have Mawahib and Aman. They gave me my life. Oh God, this is if I choose to stay, I have to leave my friends and my family and my ambition. Is it worth it? Hey mom. Yeah, okay, cool. I know you're upset that I haven't decided on my application, but you don't understand. It's not they need me, I need them. They are my family and friends. This is my second life thanks to Aman and Mawahib. You can never understand these people. You're so insensitive to their needs. Yeah, I know. I know you want me to do my MBA so that I can, I have a great future, I can earn life. But money is not everything, Mom. There's something more than that. Yeah. As I said, you've not seen that kind of love. Unlike you and Dad, Aman and Mawahib have given me unconditional love and support. If that's what you want, fine. What can I say? Goodbye. Yeah. Don't call me again. What I did.
My
So tense and you're so... I've never seen you like this. What?
disease took away my strength to walk, but never my dignity. So my wife and I were much better without you trying to bail us out. So please leave us alone.
It's not like that, Aman. You got it wrong. I was just trying to help. You're helping so many people. I was just trying to help you. And how can I be quiet when I see you and Aryan being thrown out of your apartment? Because you can't pay, you had delayed paying your rent. Come on, Aman, be reasonable here. I gotta... Oh, this is not good. I've got so many things to do.
What's the matter, Priya?
Krish, losing Arnab, I thought it was the end of my life. And that's the reason I tried to end my life. But now I've realized that's not as painful as what I feel now. I have lost a missing part. My family and friends at Mawahib. Actually I'm worse than these special needs people because they can still live their life well without their missing part. But I can never live my life without my missing part, my soul. The body is nothing. It can be abused and it can be broken. But if the soul is shattered, the body just becomes a useless carrier all through your life. And then life just becomes a day-to-day struggle instead of a joyous journey.
Mama is so upset. He forgot to lock his diary.
That's someone's diary. Hey, listen, Krish, you have to read this. No wonder he's been... Oh God, I can't believe this. My mother's actually called him up. I'm so happy that Aman actually writes a diary because he can't speak, so this is really good. You know what he's written? You need to hear this. Priya's mother's pain me. Priya's mother's words pain me. She's right to say that my life is crap. I should not spoil Priya's future. But Priya is the soul of Mawahib with a golden heart and charming smile. She cannot be replaced. My deep friendship with her has no boundaries and no definition. Something that cannot be understood. Though we are poles apart, we are like long lost friends, like siblings separated at birth, parents to each other, children to each other, two parts of a soul lost and much more than words can describe. We are conditioned to think that love is only of one kind, the romantic one, and soulmates are our romantic partners alone. We restrict ourselves to explore beyond this concept and miss out on beautiful relations and worlds.
Oh, we forgot that auction event has begun. Let's rush to the hotel Hyatt.
Yeah, right. How can I do this? Today is the most important day in his life. He's up for the Best Artist Award, and I've been so selfish. I've been thinking of him, and I'm running away from him when he needs my support the most. When he's always been there for me and given me unconditional support. Let's go.
Artist Award goes to...
I'm so glad that you're here. Doesn't matter if you win or lose.
The best artist award goes to Aman Verma.
Yay!
Congrats.
Thank you so much.
Yes, you know.
Shall we just all have a picture?